będzie.
Ballroom, this is Whiplash 1. I've got the bogey in my sights.
Whiplash 1, what is it?
I've got no idea.
You have radio contact?
Non-responsive, sir.
Then you are clear to engage.
Hit it.
Bogey just went supersonic. I got it locked.
Inbound missile.
Flares!
Second, bogey deploying flares.
Point left!
Holy!
Thing just jumped off the radar, sir.
Sat Visual has been lost.
No way.